This is the story of Tatara Razors out of Porto, Portugal. I had the chance to go visit the Tatara guys myself to check out their engineering process, the precision they put into every piece of shaving equipment that they sell. I also got a sneak peek of their new brand, Natu razors, which offers the same engineering and precision at a much more accessible price point. We are going to get into all of that in this peek behind the scenes at Tatara Razors. Hey guys, my name is Adam Hurly. I'm a men's grooming journalist. I cover everything from fragrance to shave to skincare to hair loss. And Blueprint is where I put all of my expertise from clients like GQ, Esquire, Robb Report, almost 15 years of experience all in one place for you guys. I would so appreciate if you could like this video, subscribe to our channel for more men's grooming content, and visit grooming.tips where you can sign up for our free men's grooming newsletter, read our articles, and subscribe to our podcast, Spiffy, where we talk all things men's grooming. Let's get into the Tatara story now. So behind Tatara are three mechanical engineers who went to school together. They're all from the Porto area, and they became friends at the University of Porto. They are André Guimarães, with a background in CNC machining, João Gomes, his background is in investment casting and automotive interior innovation, as well as Luis Oliveira. His background is in laser and welding process engineering. You can start to see the puzzle pieces taking shape here. These are guys who know how to make quality machinery. So they all started their careers, they stayed friends, and they would meet up at nights, on weekends, and discuss the things that they wanted to do professionally. They wanted to put their engineering and precision to good use while also addressing the heavily plastic and disposable nature of cartridge shaving. But above all, they wanted to make top-tier safety razors that were well-designed, beautifully engineered, incredible quality, and gave you the precision you need in a shave. Tatara is a reference to the traditional Japanese furnace that smelts steel and swords. Originally, these guys had imagined that they would make their razors in this foundry and furnace, so the name stuck even though they moved on from that idea. However, this does explain why the core lineup of Tatara razors is named after legendary smiths and Japanese swords. You have the Masamune, Nodachi, Muramasa, and the Amakuni. So when we visited Tatara Razors in Porto at their factory, we got to see how they do their CNC machining. This is where they make their plates, their caps, their handles. So all the flat parts, the caps and the plates, those are machined one way. And then anything cylindrical, that's basically the handles, those are turned separately. So first they have to face the raw metal, just strip it clean. And then every single contour on this device is designed within microns. There's insane precision that these machines are capable of. They can also sandblast it for this uniform matte finish. This also hides any of the micro scratches that could potentially occur. And then they hand check all of the final tolerances just to make sure that every single device that is put out to market is perfect. And nearly every part of these razors is also produced in Portugal, from the metal machining to the cork cases that they come in. They do their own CNC work on these to make sure that everything fits into its part. Even their porcelain shaving bowls are produced nearby in Aveiro. The one exception is that they get their blades from a Czech supplier. Here are the different tools you can get from Tatara for your shave. First and foremost is the Masamune. That's the one that I have here. It's their first release. It's perfect for the mild everyday shaver. It comes with open and closed comb plate options, and it's more or less the reference design that everything else branches from in their lineup. And then you have the Masamune Nodachi. Basically, this is a longer handle with a bigger feel compared to the original. It's a little more assertive. It's designed for more coarse or dense beards. Next is Muramasa. This is their patented adjustable razor. With the Muramasa, you get 5 numbered settings. Basically, you can graduate through different micro steps, allowing you to customize the type of shave that you want. You can also change the settings in a single shave. For example, setting 5, you would be doing that for your first pass after multi-day growth of hair. And then setting 1, that's for your finishing pass. That also might just be for sensitive people to do their entire shave on that setting. So when you think of the Muramasa from Tatara, just think of true mechanical innovation. Then you have the Amakuni. This is their single edge option at this prestige level. It's really slim, you have a tight profile head, but its magnets hold the blade perfectly in place. You're gonna see a similar version of this when we get to their new launch, the Natu razor. But this is a precision tool for enthusiasts. You get a barber caliber shave from this device, but it is not for newcomers. But before we get into Natu, we gotta talk about the beautiful brushes that Tatara produces. They have badger, boar, and synthetic options. All the Tatara brushes have a stainless steel base. You can see mine here, with a similar detailing as the Tatara handles. And then with Natu, the lineup we're going to talk about next, all of their brushes have an aluminum base in them. You can also build out your Tatara folio with a razor stand, but hey, all of these devices are premium. They are top shelf. This is like a gift you give yourself, that you give your friend who really wants the best quality, most beautifully engineered shaving system. However, it must be acknowledged that that price point might close off a lot of potential customers. So the Tatara guys went and launched Natu. They knew that not everyone wants a €300 plus premium razor for their shave, and Natu allows them to reach far more people and offer a more fun range of colors. The ethos of Tatara is still here. Everything is eco-friendly. They are avoiding waste. And sure, you have the aluminum body versus the steel ones from the Tatara, but everything is made with the same precision and care, down to those microns, as it would be with Tatara. This one is only a single edge shave. It also fits any standard recyclable blades that are single edge, or if you can snap your double edge ones in half, that has magnets to hold that in place. It's got a pivoting head, and again, it's built with the same machining and finishing principles as those Tatara razors. So who is Natu best for? Those first-time safety razor users who just want a little bit more of training wheels on their device. It's really intuitive in that way. That includes a lifelong cartridge users that are curious and interested in switching over, and then body shavers, men or women, anyone interested in a smooth and mild shave anywhere on their person. So hopefully this preview of Tatara gives you a little bit more insight into the makers and the precision and the quality that goes into every single device that they sell. I will put links to some of these products, to Tatara's site, in the pinned comment and in the show notes, so you can click over and check out the entire assortment. Let me know if you've tried them out, if there's a specific razor from them that you're using and loving. Again, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, visit grooming.tips for our articles, our newsletter, and our podcast, all of which cover the entire men's grooming industry. And I'll see you guys in the next video.